Most people get this wrong when trying to access Hulu on a Spectrum cable box. They spend hours searching menus, thinking the Hulu app should already be built in. But here's the problem. Most Spectrum cable boxes were designed for traditional TV, not modern streaming apps. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, accessing Hulu with Spectrum usually depends on your TV or streaming device, not the cable box itself. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to watch Hulu with Spectrum, which devices actually support it, and the fastest way to fix common setup problems. Let's get started. The first thing you need to know is this. Most older Spectrum cable boxes do not support the Hulu app directly. This is where most people fail immediately. For example, Alex kept trying to search for Hulu inside his Spectrum guide menu. The app never appeared because his cable receiver simply didn't support streaming apps. So before doing anything else, check what device you're actually using. If you have a smart TV connected to Spectrum Internet, you can install Hulu directly through the TV's App Store. If you use Roku, Fire TV Stick, Apple TV, Chromecast, Xbox, or PlayStation, Hulu also works there. But here's where it gets interesting. Some newer Spectrum streaming platforms support apps better than older hardware. So your experience may vary depending on your setup. Now here's the easiest solution for most people. Instead of relying on the Spectrum cable box itself, use a streaming device connected to your TV. For example, Jake plugged a Roku stick into his older TV and installed Hulu in less than 5 minutes. No cable box replacement needed. This is usually the fastest and cheapest option. Now in a minute, I'll show you how to fix Hulu activation errors if the app installs but won't stream. But first, let's finish the setup. Once you have a compatible device, download the Hulu app. Open it. Then sign in using your Hulu email and password. And this part is important. Do not use your Spectrum account login unless your Spectrum package specifically includes Hulu access. Hulu normally uses its own separate account system. Now here's where many users get confused. Sometimes Hulu displays an activation code instead of a normal login screen. Don't panic. Simply visit the Hulu activation website on your phone or laptop, enter the code shown on the TV, and sign into your Hulu account. After a few seconds, the TV should refresh automatically. But here's the problem. Many people accidentally activate the wrong Hulu account. For example, John had 2 different Hulu emails and signed into the wrong one during setup. Hulu worked, but none of his subscriptions or watch history appeared correctly. So always double-check your email before confirming activation. Now, let's fix the most common streaming issue. If Hulu keeps buffering or crashing, restart both your Spectrum modem and your streaming device. Also make sure the Hulu app is updated. Older app versions often cause playback problems. And if Hulu still refuses to work, uninstall and reinstall the app completely. That clears corrupted app data surprisingly often. So to summarize, most Spectrum cable boxes don't support Hulu directly, but you can easily stream Hulu using a smart TV or streaming device connected to your Spectrum Internet. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more streaming tutorials and easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.